Welcome to the 16th day of the 21-day data challenge by Lighthouse Labs. Fair warning, this video contains a solution to today's challenge, so please attempt the problem before continuing on. Reference this video if you need help or want to see an alternative way to tackle the problem. And with that said, on to the day 16 challenge. Let's go ahead and open up today's challenge. We can see today's challenge has an easy rating worth a total of 5 points. Scrolling down, we're going to be analyzing a number of books to see which ones Dot should read. We'll be creating a box plot to be able to answer this question. The two questions we need to answer are, how many books have over 4,000 pages, and what are the average ratings for books that have over 400 pages? In the first question, it says, do not use a filter, use a box plot. So let's go ahead and take a look at the data. Go ahead and run this. Next, we'll scroll up to the box plot example, copy it, and paste it below our table. To answer the question, how many books have over 4,000 pages, not using a filter, but using a box plot, let's go ahead and create the box plot. The only thing we need to provide it with is the number of pages. So let's find the column that refers to the number of pages. We can see that num_pages is what we're looking for. We'll paste that in here, remove the period here, and run that. So visually looking at the box plot, we can see that 4,000 represents this imaginary line right here, and we can see there are two results above it. This means that there are two books that are above 4,000 pages. Let's scroll down and we can see that there are two answers that could potentially be right. Let's go ahead and solve the second question. What are the average ratings for books that have over 4,000 pages? And we can use the filter for this. Let's go ahead and filter the data frame, and we'll filter it by the number of pages, making sure it's greater than 4,000, and we want to see the ratings for these books. Let's scroll up to the table again, and we can see that there is a field called average rating. We'll go ahead and copy that and paste that down here, and let's run this. We can see that there are two results, one with a rating of 4.7 and another one with a rating of 4.45. We knew to expect two results based on the box plot that we created earlier. Let's scroll down and find the answer that correlates with these findings. This one that we have selected should be the correct answer. Let's go ahead and submit this, and there we have it. I hope you got some value out of this day 16 video of the 21-day data challenge by Lighthouse Labs. I'll be back tomorrow with another video covering the day 17 challenge. See you then.